Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs for the coming week. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, June 5th, we have New Zealand bank holiday. At 12 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs. At 6:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs, and at 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect volatility to increase in gold during these news hours. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. I've already marked the levels using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, and currently when we notice a level at which the current price action is trading, it is trading between the 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement level, 0.38% of the Fibonacci's level. And we can clearly notice that the price is consolidating within this resistance zone between 1985 to 1968 and support zone between 1935 to 1906. Previously, we had noticed the price action to test this support level of 1935 and to make a bullish side bounce back, and after testing this resistance level of 1985, which was a previous resistance zone, we can clearly notice that price action has bounced back on the bearish side retracement, which indicates that sellers are strongly sitting at this resistance zone. Yesterday, the price action has closed in a very strong bearish candle, and it is a bearish engulfing candle, and based on the past price action, whenever a bearish engulfing happens, next candle also continues its current trend, which means that we can expect one more red candle to close below this previous candle. So on Monday we can expect the bearish trend to continue in gold US dollar currency pairs. So below this 50% of the Fibonacci retracement level, we have the 61% and 78% of the Fibonacci's retracement levels, which are all very strong support zone according to the Fibonacci's level. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line connecting the previous highs, and based on this trend line we can notice that it is still in a very strong bearish trend, and we are noticing it to consolidate around this resistance zone and the support zone. But when we look at the current trend, it is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line, or we can call it is in a bearish side retracement. But when we look at the overall trend of the price action connecting the previous highs and lows in daily time frame, I've connected the highs of the past price action. So based on the past price action, we can expect the current price action also to retrace to this support line to take support, and only when the price action bridges this trend line or the support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And if the bearish trend starts, we can expect it to take support around the previous support level of 1862 to 1840. And only when the price action breaks this support zone, it will be the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So to summarize, currently the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish side retracement, and only when the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend, and only when the price action breaks this lower support level, which is between 1862 to 1840, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame. And these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously it was trading on a bearish trend respecting this trend line or a resistance line from the hourly time frame, and recently we had noticed the price action to break this resistance line on the bullish side, and also it tried to break the resistance line from the daily time frame. Since it has failed to break this resistance line, now we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So during this bearish side trend reversal, we have noticed the price action to make a triple top pattern, which means that we can expect the price action to retrace to the level where it started its bullish side bounce back, which was around 1935. And once the price action breaks this support level of 1935, we can expect it to retest on the previous trend line or the support line. And also we have the daily time frame trend line or the support line over here. So we can expect it to take support on this support line also. So for now, the trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend or in a bearish side retracement. So when we look at the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1950 and support level of 1941. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1941, next level of support is going to be around 1935 and 1930 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the current resistance level of 1950, next level of resistance is going to be around 1956, 1963, 1970 and 1983. And overall, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is consolidating within this resistance line from the daily time frame and the support line from the daily time frame. Wait for it to give a directional breakout from this consolidation in order to freshly enter on the directional trade in hourly time frame. In the lower time frame, you could be trading within this consolidation. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now, and we can clearly notice that the price action has bounced back from the daily time frame trend line or the resistance line on the bearish side retracement. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1953 and support level of 1944. And if the bearish side retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1932. And if the price action breaches this support level of 1932, we can expect it to take support on the daily time frame trend line or the support line. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the current resistance level of 1953, next level of resistance is going to be around 1959, 1966, 1974 and 1983 on the bullish side. Again, in the 30 minutes time frame also, you can be scalping within this resistance line from the daily time frame and the support line from the daily time frame until it gives a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.